Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Play RC, and today we will be doing an unboxing on this. It's my mom's birthday present.
So guys, if you're new here, I'm Calvin.
I'm Dylan, and this channel is all about RCs, and also we also do tips, tricks, and reviews.
As well as obviously unboxings, some repairs and upgrade videos, and also some wicked run videos. So,
if you're new around here, consider subscribing.
Okay buddy, let's get into her. So the Axial SCX10 Jeep Wrangler 2017 edition.
Right here.
While Dylan's opening it up, we'll talk a little bit about what is inside here. So this truck comes with a metal gear servo, 151 ounce, which is maybe a little low for a crawling trail truck, but it's not too terrible. 35 turn brushed electric motor, 3-channel receiver and transmitter, waterproof receiver box, adjustable shocks. Also comes with adjustable battery tray and a AE5L ESC with drag brake. And this truck is 3S LiPo capable. So we could talk about the box all day long because there's tons of info on here if you look on every side. But we'd rather just get into this sucker, eh? Let's see what's in the box. Dun, 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 dun. And I'm sure you guys have seen unboxing videos of this exact truck many times, but not by us. Ooh, she is pretty. Aside.
It's not coming out like that.
Alright, so what's in here, bud?
I don't know. It's like a whole bunch of directions and stuff.
Yeah, just your standard directions and manual, I'm guessing. Now this is our first Axial, so there's the transmitter taped to the bottom here. Let's see, what do you think about this transmitter, buddy?
It looks pretty spiffy to me. Forward, back, all the trim, buttons, steering wheel.
Look at that. We're going to have to unclip it.
Yeah.
So,
Scissor time.
Here, why don't you talk about what's in here? It's obviously a whole bunch of spare parts and stuff, but I think this truck comes with door handles and hinges and stuff in there.
So there's door handles, hinges, little like tire covers in here.
Move the box so they can see it.
The bottom of your tires so that they don't get all squishy and flat. Pretty smart.
What's that?
Little tire covers. And
no,
then,
I think that's actually just something. Oh, it is. Maybe you're right. Yeah.
And then I think this is going like the hood. It's a little like steer horns right here. I don't know if you guys can see them that well, but there's steer horn. There's some steering servo horns in here too. Not these ones.
I love opening new trucks. It's so much fun.
So that's pretty much what's in there.
They smell good. I know that's weird. Okay, yeah, so you got some shock spacers, some extra link ends, knuckles, and door hinges and door handles and stuff, I think is what's in there. So
it also comes with front lights. Does it come with rear lights?
So the remote's got your trim here.
Yeah, I talked about that.
Did you? Yeah. Did you talk about the remote?
Yeah.
Okay, what does it take? 4 double A's. most remotes. 2.4 gigahertz.
And then see what's under the body.
I like how these pins have the actual pull tabs on them. That's kind of nice.
It's easier to pull and they don't come out as easy.
Yeah. All right. Oh, and of course it's wired up for lights already. So there's a couple little plugs here when you're taking off the body. And there you go. Pretty nice clear windows. I like the body. The Lexan itself is not really heavy duty. The wiring's pretty clean.
Yeah.
Nice clear windows. Might have to figure out a way to strengthen that up a bit. This is our first Axial, like I said. Since we got into the hobby, we've always had Traxxas because that's what we started on. That's what we're used to. Yeah. But we figured we better start checking out some other stuff just to help out.
Yeah.
So we've got a nice little radiator in here. You could probably take that out and paint it up to make it look a little more realistic coming through the grill. Nice little fender flares. Cute little mirrors.
Actually, I have stickers. That
Everything's pretty flexible. And the mirrors you could remove if you wanted to. There's a couple little hex screws in there holding them on. Yeah, so that's pretty sweet. Like I said, the Lexan is a little soft though. Like it's pretty.
Yeah, I also really.
I mean, it looks super, but look at how.
Yeah.
So, but that's okay. We got a trick. We got a trick to help with that. Watch our other videos and you'll see.
I really like how these are up more, so that you got like way more travel, like
clearance in the middle.
Yeah, you got tons.
Yeah.
Of clearance.
Are these an actual piggyback shock or are they just replica piggyback? They're all plastic though.
Yeah.
So the shock shafts are metal.
Here's our
receiver box.
Yeah.
ESC. Transmission.
Here's the combination.
How are these tires? Yeah. They're not bad. They're a little stiff, but I mean it is a ready to run truck, so.
Can always upgrade the tires too.
And the battery tray. Battery tray has a Velcro strap, so that would be the adjustability there.
Be just like the design you did on the Mom's Stampede. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So pull that off. Get rid of these little tie down here. There'll be these to cut off in the box. So. Fabulous.
At the bottom it looks pretty nice.
There's still linkage. Is that plastic? Plastic.
Most of it, I don't think there is really any metal.
No, there's the frame itself is metal. That's nice.
Dips come lock.
So, well, I guess there's not much else to say because, like I said, I'm sure people have seen an unboxing of this truck many times, but we wanted to do one of our own.
Yeah.
Once we test and trial this truck, then we'll give you guys afterthoughts review.
Maybe after we get this one, we can do a TRX4 and this one. Maybe some different trucks.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll have some more videos coming up, guys, on real life usage. So thanks for watching, and you know, until next time, stay tuned. And you know, Dylan and I are a father-son team who love RC trucks and want to share our passion with you. So hopefully we can inspire you. So
don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also turn on your notifications. That way you'll get our videos. And also don't forget to smash that like button. It would be very appreciated.
Also, guys, leave us comments. We'd love to chat with you as always and interact. So until next time,
get out and play.